Samsung is ready to turn heads again. The Galaxy S25 Ultra just leaked, and it looks like Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max might be sweating a bit. Get ready, because we're diving into a race where every millimeter counts, the battle of the thinnest bezels. Buckle up, because this is about to get exciting. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative, and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. So, word on the street is that Samsung is about to beat Apple in a design war. Remember how Apple made a splash with the iPhone 16 Pro Max's thinner bezels? Yeah, that didn't last long. Leaks are suggesting that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have even thinner bezels than Apple's latest flagship. We're talking 0.2 millimeters thinner than its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. That's some next level design. But hold up, what's the big deal with these bezels, right? Why does everyone care? Well, thinner bezels mean more screen, less frame, and let's be honest, a sleek, premium look. You could say it's like wearing a perfectly tailored suit. Everything just fits better. Samsung has been refining their flagship phones for years, and this time, they're not holding back. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to come with some serious upgrades, including an ultra-wide camera that could put the iPhone 16 to shame, featuring a new 50-megapixel sensor with enhanced low-light capabilities. Plus, there's talk of the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip under the hood, making this phone a powerhouse in performance. And the best part, even with all these upgrades, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is going on a diet. It's rumored to be slimmer and lighter than its predecessor. And yup, you guessed it, lighter than the iPhone 16 Pro Max 2. Looks like Samsung is going for both style and substance this time. I mean, imagine trying to brag to your friends about your shiny new iPhone 16 Pro Max, and then your buddy whips out the Galaxy S25 Ultra with even thinner bezels. Ouch! That's gotta sting a little, right? So who's gonna win this showdown? Is Samsung finally stealing the crown from Apple in the design department? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is looking like a serious contender. If you're hyped about the next wave of smartphone wars, hit that like button, subscribe for more juicy tech leaks, and let me know in the comments. Are you Team Samsung or Apple this year? See you in the next one, tech fans. Keep your eyes peeled, because things are about to get interesting in 2025. Peace out.